What's up, guys? Today we're playing Build a Boat, and Luke, I was going to record us building the boat, but I guess we'll just use this guy.
Oh, do you want to record it?
No,
Alright.
no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Nah,
Grabbing
cause let's
stuff.
just nah.
I am recording a video though, just to let you know. Oh crap, I'm stuck.
Yeah, let's just clear this so we'll just
Yeah,
build a boat.
we'll build a boat.
Alright.
So, uh, what?
How do you like that?
Absolutely insane. But hold on, we gotta make it longer.
Okay.
What do you do? What y'all's done?
Okay, Buckaroo.
Hey, don't call me that.
Not really whatever I like.
No, you don't. You sound like
Because I went.
Mason.
Yeah, and you sound like a meat rider.
Okay. I'm
You love that
recording.
big juicy meat in your mouth, don't
Okay,
you?
I'm recording this.
Okay, one point.
It's so funny.
Viewers, this man loves it. Right
Oh,
in his
God.
mouth.
Yeah, well, this kid loves saying a certain word we all know of.
That was you!
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was!
I'm joking.
Nah, restart the recording.
No,
Alright, fine.
I
Cut this bit out.
can't. Here, I'll just reset the recording then. No, I'm not. I'm not resetting the recording.
Alright, cut it out then.
Yeah, I will. If I can.
Alright.
Alright, hold up. I gotta add rocket boosters.
I'm not done.
Yeah, well, I gotta add rocket boosters.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet.
Okay, I never said you had to be done.
If I don't pass this semester, my dad's gonna shit in my mouth.
I've never even heard your dad speak before.
Yeah, and you never will.
No,
Yeah.
only thing that
No, where is it? There we go. Alright, I finished my beautiful creation. And I forgot, I have not finished. I need to do this. I need to add motor. There we go. Hold it. Boom. Oh god, that's so annoying.
If I don't pass this semester, my dad's gonna shit in my mouth.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah, I was never ready.
I was born ready!
You know how long this is gonna take me?
No. What do you even make? Okay.
Yeah, well done for figuring out the obvious.
Shut up. Just a flex on everyone, you've got to.
The sound of silence.
And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more. Oh my god.
Guys, who do you prefer? Queso or Jinxie? Oh, bro, stop! I'm actually being serious.
Oh,
Stop.
my fault, my fault. Do I get rid of the honey?
Let me first make it so it's all covered up. And why is it inside?
My fault, guys. Is that good enough?
Yeah, it should be.
Hold up. It's getting crusty!
Yeah, that is good. You can put it on the top.
That's a close enough color. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. No! No, not the guy!
No.
What did the guy do? No!
Chat. I'm out of wood.
I got you.
Just fill in this part and then continue this one.
What game are you guys
I
playing?
did not got you. We're playing Build a Boat.
Oh, we're recording, by the way.
Yeah.
Mm. I wanna say something.
That's about the most I can do, Luke. I'm sorry. No, I could probably do
Are you
more.
filling it in? You don't need to fill it in.
Oh. That's the most I can do, probably.
You don't need to fill it in.
Okay.
No, don't go up one. Wait, do you? Yeah, oh wait, yeah, you do. Here, yeah, just make the outline. Because we're gonna have to put
And
one.
I've got no more wood. But.
Yeah, that works.
Hold on, no. No.
I
got
have an
50
idea.
more gold. No, I got 50 more gold. I mean, not gold, wood.
No, because I have an idea.
Get rid of the jet.
That's fine, it's
Get
fine.
rid of the rocket.
It's fine.
I've got 50 more wood. I'm going to use it.
Fine. I'll fill in the dong
Right, okay.
until I'm out. Alright. I only need 3 more wood though. Alright, I'm gonna put this
Still way too tall.
under sound
Of silence.
silence.
And in the naked light I saw 10,000
I'll tell you about
people,
something.
maybe more. And
Alright, chat. We are ready. Oh, wait, no.
You
No.
gotta save it, don't you?
No.
By slot. Sure.
I gotta put the thing down. I think I have extra saves. Yeah, I have an extra save.
Boingy. I'm calling
How
it
much is
boingy.
slot? 200. I can buy extra slot for 200. I just need to save
let's
this.
do
No. I need to
this!
name it. I just need to name it. Alright, there. Go.
Luke cooked there. Guys?
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
no! Luke! No! No! I'm dead. Oh! I died. I didn't make it, I'm afraid. I'll catch up to you, don't
Look
worry.
at my ship.
Car. This will do. In the naked light I
Yeah, it's a
saw.
vibrating. It's vibrating so hard.
Okay.
What is this? I gotta hop onto it.
Meow.
What? No, save me.
Get in, quick.
Stop moving, idiot.
Bro. Where did you go?
I'm trying to get it. Alright, go.
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. Oi, get in the car.
Yeah, make sure to like and
Get
sub.
in through. Yeah, make sure to like and sub. This took way too long. It took like 5 minutes, but hey, get in the car.
I can't when
Damn
you're running
right.
me over.
Why am I going backwards? Damn right. Where'd you go?
I want the space.
Oh, I found my car. That's not mine. That's not my old boat.
I have infinite fuel and I can fly forever.
Blah, 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 blah. I'm joking.
My
I'm
dad
not
sleeps
that
somewhere else. He
No,
goes
you're
to
sleeping
sleep.
in my bed.
bad. Okay.
I'm
Oh, no, you
joking.
The
won't.
couch is not your bed. The couch is your bed. The racism
Okay.
racist.
Brock, you can't be talking. Oh, wait, no, Connor, you can't be talking.
Okay. Connor's not racist at all.
Connor, you tell him. Chat, I need. Wait, Brock, have you died? Tell me
No.
when you die.
I'm still pumping blood, guys.
I'm tired.
No, what? Screw this. I've got cuts on my arms. Meow. I'm a bit of an emo myself, guys. I am joking. I am not an emo. I got 60 golds. I'm coming.
Chat, look at this Fortnite battle bass.
That's not enough. You need rocket boosters. And even more rocket boosters. I didn't get to finish! He's spinning around in circles! Wait! Hey! Wait! Wait!
I
Luke!
can't.
Luke,
Oh
you're gonna kill
yeah.
me! You
Wait, there's a
can't.
hole. There's a hole. Go down the hole.
I can't. I'm too fat. Oh. Come back. Hey.
There's no extra seat for you, but this will do.
Who cares?
Well,
Whoa! Whoa, no!
massive fucking.
No! Wait!
Uh-oh. Who put the jet on? Who
Maybe
turned the
me.
rocket on?
Maybe me.
Just yeah. Oh, silence.
Ah. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more.
Bro, Brock, you made it so hard to control.
Oh, get over it.
I'm not the Fortnite Battle Bus driver.
There you are. I bet I can get to the end of the end using 4 bits of wood and a
Oh, wait, you're
glider
gonna cheat.
sheet and boosters. And touch the sound of no! Luke. And touch the
Yes.
sound of silence.
Hey, you died.
I'm alive still. And
Oh,
in the
fuck
naked
you.
light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. And it got I don't know how this song goes.
I'm just going.
Brock,
I
have
made
you
a
seen my,
particle accelerator. Ah!
Brock,
Yeah.
have you
Seen your
seen my
short?
new
Yes.
video yet?
I am Steve. Ah,
I like my YouTube video, like doors video.
No, I have not.
you
I'm
haven't
gonna go
seen
to the
that.
toilet, so I'm gonna cut the video. I'll be back, guys. I'm back. Whew. Hello? Hello?
What?
Hello. Luke,
I am back.
that's great.
I am back.
I think I have a shit.
That's great, and I am recording.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm just that Sigma.
Idiot!
Oh,
Oh no,
My
hold
bad,
on.
Connor,
Don't
my bad.
start. I gotta show you something. Right? What? I get this. And I get... Bro!
Will! Uh-oh.
Stay here, stay here. I gotta show you something.
I am Megamind. Oh yeah!
What did you say?
I am Megamind.
That is not what Bruce says.
My dad's home.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No, not yet. Now.
I'm ready to push him.
Yeah, do it.
No, because you need to stop.
Oh, you ruined it, you idiot.
Wasn't my fault.
Yes, it was.
How?
Bro, because if it wasn't for you... Wait, come back, come back, come back. I gotta show you it. Come back. You think you're gonna get away with that? You think you're gonna get away with that, huh? No! No! Run away! No! No!
I did get away with that.
You're not for long! Look like you're best friend. Ah! Oh no!
I'm coming to go get you, baby.
I died, you're too late. My golly golly gosh.
Well.
Now come down here, you won't.
Yeah, well.
Come closer, come closer. Ha ha!
No!
That's what you gave us starting earlier! And clicking the damn thing on. I can fly.
Foot me, man, foot me. I gotta reset now.
Yeah, you do.
You deserve to die.
You do.
I just wanna be pony. You have to reset the two.
Yep.
No violence.
Bro, right? How did you...
I'm ready.
Well, I'll tell you when I'm ready.
Of course, you know, I just started.
I won't be too long. Trust me. Done. Whoa, no!
Get me, where are you?
Don't look behind you, whatever.
And then the sound.
A
silence.
And then come on, you gotta push me away.
I don't trust you.
Bro, leave me alone. That's what you get. Stop. Stop it!
Yeah, that's what you get, little boy.
Now, can we actually build the boat?
Alright, fun. That's your fault, like, you ate the cheese.
Okay, I'm recording.
I just what? What Luke said.
Look, you know what I'm gonna use. It gets to the end, it works.
Have I done anything
Boom! Is it cold in here, Luke?
Oh.
Hold up, I gotta make it even better. It's
I know how you can
cold.
make it better.
Alright, I got this. Let's do this.
Yeah,
No,
look
I'm
at you,
not ready.
Brock.
I'm not
Look
ready.
what look what you're sitting on. Jump out of your seat and look.
I'm sitting on the tip of the rocket ship.
Mm.
You could
And
kick
touch
me
the
out of
sound.
our souls.
Hold on, I've got to do this. I've got to. Even more boosters. Let's do this, gang. Oh crap.
Yeah, it's not what I brought, but
Just read
that's
through
not what I
stuff.
did. Brock. And he's allowed to.
Ah!
Fuck, don't do the FNAF jump scare scream.
No, you have one. Yeah, your iPad then.
Ooh! Stop it!
Yeah,
No,
I'm joking.
only I can click it. And when I click it, it will be absolute. When I do it, it will be absolutely insane.
Yeah, no.
No!
Whoa! Brock's going backwards.
I can't! I cannot with this guy. Ooh, look at him. Should we go into his house? I mean his base?
Who?
The guy.
I still have Abyssal Hunter. I mean, I just got it, so it's fine though.
I just got banned
No!
or something. I died.
Okie dokie. Whoa!
Okay, time to.
Guys, it did not work out.
My mom's calling me. Be 1 sec.
Okay.
Rock.
Okay, time to build a boat. While he's-
Rock.
Yeah?
It's not gonna be that hard for me to craft heavenly potions, do you know why?
Why?
I literally have 5,662 lucky potion. Where I'm not addicted. Oh my god, I didn't want to make it a snow biome. Oh, I hate when that happens when you just click it once, it goes to like the snow biome, and then when you press the strange control, it just goes
I
to
got this! No!
freaking. Oh, for some reason I thought my Archangel
Well,
and
that's gonna do it with the video,
Abyssal
guys.
Hunter
We
would
didn't do
glitch.
much. But, if you want more, just comment it down below, and I'll see you next time.